Good evening, everybody. I'm Pierre Roberge, the Daily Trader. It is July 21st, and we are going to take a look at Palantir stock from a technical analysis perspective. My goal in doing these videos is to help you understand how to use technical analysis to make better trading and investing decisions. But I'm not a financial advisor, so please do your own research and make your own decisions. Palantir is up 38 cents, 3.76%, closed at 10.49. Post-market, we are down by 5 cents. So let's look at what we have here on the chart. So yesterday, I was talking about this congestion zone that we were in, but we were also caving in under this resistance. But now that resistance has been broken. And even the congestion zone has been broken a little bit today. This is nice. So the market is showing some strength. We cannot complain about that. Let's go see the 1 hour chart. So we had a little gap today. So we have a gap on the first hour chart. Went super high during the first hour, 1076, super high. And now we are stabilizing a little bit at around 1050. Is there something that we can see on the 1 hour chart that we don't really see on the other charts? So we have this here. So the top that we had on the hourly chart on July 8th, we have broken that top here. Let's hope that we can maintain that tomorrow. Everything else in terms of indicators on the 1 hour chart is great. And in terms of the indicators on the daily chart, everything is also good. So we just got the 2 lines of MACD above zero. So everything is super great here. So let's hope that this move is going to continue. We broke this big downward resistance that had been plaguing us since November of last year. And let's hope that we can continue and start to reach this other downward resistance, as I mentioned yesterday. So all in all, great day for Palantir. So thank you very much for watching. Thank you for liking, commenting, subscribing. If you like what I do, you can become a YouTube member. Click on my TradingView affiliate link. I'm going to wish you a great evening. We are going to talk tomorrow, and I'm going to tell you à la prochaine.